was this is last question for me, but it's not for of mine. Can we cook our rice without washing it if we take it on a paper towel and there are no bugs?
No, one second. The problem is, are we talking about Pesach or no?
I guess.
So okay.
It's a question from one of our.
Okay. No problem. So the Ashkenazim don't eat rice on Pesach, but Sephardim they do eat rice on Pesach, and I think it's not about bugs. The bugs is not an issue. Usually there is no bugs in rice. Maybe, but it's not an issue. So we're looking for actually kernels of wheat or other five one of the 5 grains. So and then the proper way is to check 3 times. That they check 1 time, like put it in a container, and 2nd time, 3rd time, and that's it. They can rest assured that it's checked, and they can cook the rice, no problem. It's again, it's Sephardic custom. Ashkenazic, they don't eat rice.